Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by stopping writes. Every new photo risks overwriting deleted files. Connect the device to a PC or remove the SD card and use a card reader so you can run recovery tools. Once connected, identify storage. Internal flash versus removable card matters because internal requires specialized tools or ADB. Make sure to disable automatic backups and syncing to prevent changes while you work. Now open your chosen recovery program and prepare to scan the targeted drive. Once the scan starts, allow a full deep scan. Quick scans miss fragmented media. You should filter results by file type and date to narrow down thousands of entries, because previews help confirm intact images or videos. Make sure to recover to a separate drive or external storage to avoid overwriting remaining recoverable data on the source. If the software supports file carving, use it for fragmented videos. Keep notes of file names and paths so you can verify success later. After recovery, verify every restored photo and video opens correctly. Play videos and inspect keyframes because corruption can be subtle. Once done, copy good files to multiple backups, local drive plus cloud. If some files are damaged, try a different recovery tool or use a file repair utility that targets headers and containers. Sometimes a secondary pass fixes failures. For cloud deletions, check the service trash and retention policies, and contact support if you hit retention limits.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.